So let us now understand the cloud native stack. First of all, we will have some sort of infrastructure, the physical host or virtual machine. On top of it, we will have an operating system, mostly Linux, where you will be running your container operating system. On top of container operating system, we will have some sort of container runtime, and for example, this can be Docker. Then you will have services built in form of microservices and deployed in containers. So these containers will be acting as a microservices and they will communicate with each other, as these are loosely coupled system. So you will require some container networking, or you can see these containers will help us build some sort of cluster, and you would require some sort of management for the complete cluster. So you will have a functionality which is called container cluster management and the service discovery. So this is provided by applications such as Kubernetes or Docker Swarm, etc. Then you have container scheduling, which will help you to start or stop containers, to provision them. And as I said, these services are provided by the container management software. Then you have application scheduling and application discovery, which is part of the complete application lifecycle. Apart from that, you will have security management for the complete stack. The image management, image is the container images that you are going to use to deploy in the container, and then the configuration management of the complete stack. So this configuration management can be as infrastructure as a code or the normal configuration management that we perform in the traditional way. Then you have various DevOps tools which will help you implement the cloud native stack either in form of CI/CD pipeline or as infrastructure as a code, and this will help you to manage the complete stack. So this was the basic block diagram of the cloud native stack, market players for the cloud computing environment.